Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing the module 6th, 7th and 8th of this assignment that was given by Dr. Shaligram Prajapat sir. So let's start the video. So the first question and the first assignment was 6th assignment was naive-Bayes classification. So the demonstrate application of naive-Bayes using a Python program. So before program, let's just understand what the naive-Bayes theorem means or classification means. So it is family of probabilistic classification algorithm based on Bayes theorem with the assumption of independence among features. And despite its naive assumption, it is proven to be effective in various real-life world applications, especially in text classification and spam filtering. For example, there are a lot of spam emails that are going on. So in order to filter out these spam messages and spam emails, naive-Bayes classification is one of the most important and useful techniques that are used for these purposes. Now let's start understanding it with help of a program. So here we have used the sklearn and count vectorizer etc. for this program. Here we have given the sample data for text classification like you can see here. Now separate the text and labels from here like corpuses zip. Now let's run this program and find out the accuracy in classification report, basically the report. Now you can see that accuracy has been given 1.0. The classification report is like this, whether precision, recall, F1 score and support are also given. So in this way the Bayes theorem, Bayes classification has been done and has been understood by this program. Now moving toward the seventh module, that is neural networks. So demonstrate application of neural network using Python. So here in our PPT we have seen here neural networks. There are two points: understanding the neural networks. So neural networks, also known as artificial neural networks, are a class of machine learning models inspired by the structure and functioning of human brains. So like in human brain, neural networks are also present in form of neurons in brains. So like that way, machine learning is also adapting that neural networks in its applications, and it is inspired so that it can function properly like a human brain. Now the applications are they consist of interconnected nodes called neurons or artificial neurons, and these neural networks are capable of learning complex relationships and patterns in data and are widely used for various tasks like image and speech recognition and language processing. Let's see this neural network with the help of a program, Python program. So here, so let's start the program. So here we have the program for this neural networking. Here we are using the TensorFlow package and NumPy. So for example, there is a data X that is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is of type float, and Y is an array of data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we can clearly see that 1 and 2 have relation, 2, 4, 3, 6 have a relation, that is 2 is double of 1, 4 is double of 2, 6 is double of 3 and so on. So after learning the following relation, can our model predict the input for 6? Let's find out whether the prediction will be closer to 12 or not. So let's run the program. So think it will closely go to 12 or 13 or 11 something. So yeah, here the prediction for input 6 is 11.980812, that is nearly equal to 12. That means our prediction has been true and the neural networking program has been simply successfully executed. So the next module, that is 8, is about clustering. Let's see in the assignment 2. Yeah, so demonstrate the application of k-means clustering using Python. So first let us understand what a k-mean clustering is all about. So it is a popular unsupervised learning algorithm that is commonly used for clustering data points into distinct group of clusters. And this algorithm aims to minimize the distance between the data points within each clusters and maximize the distance between the different clusters. And the k-mean is particularly useful for data exploration, customer segmentation, and anomaly detection. There are some use cases too. For example, market segmentation, recommendation systems, and document classification. Let's see it with a proper example on Python. So here, in this, first clear the screen. So here we are using pandas package as well as matplotlib package, and here we have been given the clusters for clusters. Now we have to find out the output, whether the two clusters have been formed or not. Here some issue has been occurred, like df is not defined in line 3. So here we have also given the CSV file for different data sets, like here name, age, income, and this all names, ages, and income were given. And we have used this CSV file here in our code too. For example, here read CSV and the name of the CSV file, that is 8/income.csv. Now let's check out whether the clustering has been done or not. So there is something where error was given. So let's run it again. So this is the scatter plot of age versus income. This was the original income or age plot. Now this is the k-mean clustering result, where there are three clusters: this green one, then red one, and then this blue one. And the final results are like this: like the age 27, income 70,000 was in second cluster, then this is also in second cluster, some are on first cluster, and some are on zero cluster, some are on one. So basically we have created three clusters here. In this way, clustering has been understood by us through this Python program. So this is all about these modules. Next, we will learn about regression modeling.